Hello, this is Vaughn Clement. Welcome to the On Target Solutions website, where we deal with custom database management systems for productivity and individual usage. And as you can see in the information that's flashing by here, we currently have more than 6,000 clients and growing every week. One of the things I created this particular video for is to provide you with information about how to use this website and what is provided on this website. If I scroll down, you're going to see the first thing here is a take a website tour, which is not this video, but a different one that'll explain the whole website. And right here, you'll have the iTunes preview page for the iTunes apps that are listed on the iTunes Store. And this breaks them down so that you can see each individual one. The next thing is another link. In case this one doesn't work, you can click on this one or copy this one into your browser. This will give you a listing of all the current iTunes applications. At the very bottom of this screen, as you can see, we have some things going down that show you the featured application, the newest release for iTunes Store, and the newest custom application that has been authored for this website. At the very bottom of the screen, you'll see a custom application directory list. And let's go ahead and go there so we can see what that does. But before I leave, I want to point out that you can subscribe to our applications newsletter by putting in your email and subscribing. And that way we'll keep you up to date on all the latest happenings at our website. Let's go ahead and click on this, and I'll show you the listing of the actual different applications that are currently on the custom application store. This store is actually changing all the time, where new applications are being added and other ones are being updated. And as you can see by this note here, it says the listings are being updated as of May the 20th, 2016. And what we've done recently is to add or edit or completely change or add new applications to the store. For example, it says custom applications product directory list and learn about database applications we offer. Now, this might just be a little bit over the top when you see as I'm scrolling down. There are a large number of applications we offer. On this being the customs application store, there are many, many different applications, and they're separated by Macintosh, Windows, iPad, and custom cloud apps. A cloud app is one that is for multi-user on a hosted server that allows multiple users to use the same application for that particular top-level application. For example, if I'm looking at home renovations, I would come over here and I would click on the blue list name here, and what it would do is take you to the detail page for that particular application. As I'm scrolling down, you'll see several different types of applications for different usages, and most of these were created for some clients where they were requested to be custom applications. And over the years that we've had these applications, they keep growing in capabilities and have new features added to them all the time that will provide you with additional capabilities for your business or productivity uses. For example, look at this personal app. It's called the RV Travelog. This is one of our most popular applications, and what this does, it provides you a travel log for expenses and where you're going to stay and trips along the way with your RV. And you can use it on an iPad or iPhone, or if you have a desktop or laptop, you could use it on that. And if you want it hosted, which is kind of rare for hosting an app like that, mostly the ones that are be hosted be these that are productivity apps down through this area. You could see we've had a lot of different kinds of applications created, including Wedding Planner, for example, which was recently released as an update where we added a lot of new features and different things to it. There's some interesting ones like car restoration, for example, that provides information and management of all things that are related to doing a restoration on a vehicle. So you can see there's a lot of options, and you can see there's, in this particular case, there's 148 different listed items, and each one of these can have custom versions that are specifically designed for you, and they are all very reasonably priced. Most of the applications that are on this web store are applications that are provided. If we wanted to design them from scratch, they could be expensive if you were a normal developer. But our goal is to provide low cost and monetize that over many sales. So you'll find that some of these applications are ridiculously cheap as far as price is concerned. For example, there's one in here called Restaurant management. And the restaurant management actually was an application that was designed for a customer that I was visiting, and he wasn't intending to have a new application designed until he told me about his current app that cost $14,500, and I told him I probably could have done that whole app for less than $2,500. And he was blown away because of all the money he spent. And my application would have provided him exactly what he was looking for and not be a canned application. So this gives you an idea of the application capabilities. And keep in mind that all the applications that are on this website are at $100 or less, all the way down to like $2.99 for an application. That's unheard of for a database because they are tough to do and they take a lot of knowledge in order to create them. So I hope you take a look through both our custom applications and go ahead and look at our iTunes apps that are currently in the iTunes store, and they'll be updated and new ones added all the time. Thank you for taking this video.